Good morning. You found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife. Today, I'm going to be working on improving my stance. Some people call it a pooh stance.
The pooh stance. Now,
duck-footed, we call it stink bug stance.
Whatever you call it, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Here's some stuff I'm doing wrong with my stance. I lean too far over. No, don't want that. Nope, pooh stance. Get rid of that. Gotta get that knee in. Get some compression. What a beautiful sunrise. Here's some of my rides, some takeaways from Surf Simply and my analysis, and at the end, some footage from a special event I was able to participate in. Here's my favorite takeaways on this subject from Surf Simply.
it's really important to get the right stance when you're standing up on a surfboard. The reason that we're standing up on the board is very simply because it's much easier and quicker to move your weight from the front of the board to the back of the board when you're on your feet. But when you have your knees going apart in surfing, you end up leaning forwards and backwards with your head and your upper body and your knees pointing together. What you can do is move your hips backwards and forwards, so suddenly you can move your weight back so that you can carve a turn, and you can move your weight forwards so that you can accelerate or get down a wave so you don't get stuck off the back of it. So it's a really, really important thing to get your head around, and you know what? It looks so much more stylish.
I got a few waves, it was fun. I think I was able to work on my stance, trying to get that back knee bent in more. Felt less stiff, think it was a good improvement. Difficult conditions with the choppiness, but had a good time, as always. Back to looking at my stance, here's some clips. Here you can see my normal stance. I definitely have that wide kneed stance. It's what I'm working on here. So the rest of these videos, let's see how I do. So here you can see I'm working to get that back knee bent in, correcting that pooh stance. Again, I kind of start out and then correct it as I go, so good that I'm thinking about it. Trying to compress here, get those knees in. And another clip here you can see getting that knee bent in. It was a good session, I'll just keep working on it. So when I was surfing out there, I met somebody who had actually seen my videos, so shout out to Brian. Glad you liked the videos. Today I'm sporting the rash guard I got from Surfers Healing. It's a event where professional surfers come surf with children that have autism. I was just helping out, definitely not a professional surfer out there in the water with the kids, but had a great time. Here's some footage from that event. As always, I hope you got something out of this video. Subscribe, like, comment, and most importantly, have fun and keep it real.